What is up, you guys? I am back, and I am planning to do a review on this. It came with my new iPad case, but put a sticker on it, and yeah, I'll show you the iPad case on the mirror right now. So, switch to you in a different angle. Okay, bye. So, you guys are there. That's the iPad case. It's a magnetic iPad case, so yeah. And I'll switch to you guys in a different angle. Okay, bye. So here I am recording myself on the iPad Air. Right there. Just move right over here. You can see that. And if you want, you can also set it to be. You guys can't see. You can set it to be like this, or the furthest setting, which is like this, a bit like that. But yeah. So as you guys seen from that angle, I use it like that when I'm recording and all that stuff. So here's my Bluetooth keyboard. It came with the case, so that's pretty sweet. Here's a charging port. So when you charge it, this light over here turns green. Green to red when it's charging. I think it's green when it's charging. So green when it's charging, and then it turns off, like the light turns off if you're done. Here's the connecting one. So if you click that, turn it on. So that stays on for 2 seconds. You click the connect. So that, like this does that when it's connecting, but I'm already connected, so we just, wrong way. Turn that off, turn that on. Yeah, so, yeah, it's a Bluetooth one. The things over here does not work, so like the volume and all that stuff. But the numbers and then the sign thingies, like the hashtag there, or number, the dollar sign, the percentage, and I don't know what that's called, but yeah, that works pretty good. I mean, like, it's a really good deal for a iPad case you get. Like, Bluetooth keyboard, I just put the sticker on where I got my iPad Air from. It came with a sheet of paper. It comes with 2 stickers, so I got one on the keyboard and one on the case, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.